In this video, I show you how to get back to the initial setup screen. If you would like to get to this screen, to start completely fresh, start like when you bought your iPhone, then you are at the right place. Before going to the initial setup screen, you must back up everything you have on your iPhone. Your photos, videos, audios, the content of the Files application, and any other important data that you have, because the system will remove everything. So back up first and then come back to this video and continue watching. So to go to the initial setup screen, first go to the settings, to scroll down a little bit, then click on general, and then scroll again. At the end you see transfer or reset iPhone. Click on transfer or reset iPhone, and then here you get two options: reset and erase all content and settings. Well, for this you need internet connection. Without internet it does not work. So click on erase all content and settings. Erase this iPhone. The following items will be safely removed from this iPhone. Now I'm going to click on continue. Click on erase iPhone. Enter your passcode or authenticate via Face ID if you set up Face ID. So it is automatically uploading some data to iCloud. You can also select escape backup if you don't have enough space or storage space on iCloud. You have only 5 GB of free space in iCloud. Let us say that you backed up everything yourself and you don't want that the system uploads data to iCloud. Escape backup. Now enter your Apple account password. Click on turn off. Wait for it. If you would like to start completely fresh, like new, exactly like when you bought your iPhone, and you want to set up everything like new and have access to some options and tools that you don't have access to after the initial setup, then this video is for you. Now we are in the hello screen. That's it guys, I hope it was useful. Thanks for watching. We have published many helpful, useful courses, tutorials that can help you with your career, with your studies, with your projects, and with your everyday life. So check out our channel and watch also our other videos. Take care and have beautiful times.